Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious dog named Max. One sunny afternoon, Max discovered a crystal-clear pond while exploring the woods. His reflection caught his eye, and he approached the water, intrigued. Who is that peculiar creature? Max wondered, as he stared at the watery image that resembled him. He had never seen himself so clearly before. He approached the pond's edge, bending down to touch the water. Splash! Max's paw made a ripple, causing the reflection to disappear for a moment. He was shocked and a little saddened. I must find a way to keep him company, he thought. Max decided to spend more time by the pond, hoping to see his reflection again. He realized that the reflection was a mirror, showing him what he looked like. This simple discovery sparked a newfound appreciation for his appearance. Max groomed himself more diligently, ensuring that his fur was always shiny and clean. He started to notice small imperfections that he had never seen before, like a missing whisker or a small scar. But instead of being upset, he accepted these characteristics as part of who he was. One day, Max encountered another dog while at the pond. They both stared at each other, and Max's heart raced with excitement. He approached the stranger, wagging his tail, hoping to make a new friend. The two dogs exchanged barks, and Max was surprised to find they sounded identical. They played together, chasing each other around the pond. Max realized they were not just two dogs, but two halves of the same whole. They were each other's reflections in the pond. From that day on, Max learned to appreciate himself and his reflection even more. He understood that everyone has unique qualities that make them special. The pond and its crystal-clear reflection became a symbol of self-discovery and self-acceptance for Max. Every day, Max would visit the pond, spending hours watching his reflection. He would groom himself, enjoying the sight of his shiny coat and the reflection of the sun in his eyes. His reflection was no longer just a curious sight, but a reminder of self-love and acceptance. Max's story serves as a reminder to us all. Just as he learned to appreciate his reflection, let us learn to appreciate ourselves, flaws and all. For it is our imperfections that make us unique and beautiful, just like Max and his reflection in the pond.